Hello students, today we are discussing on the course Engineering Metrology. First, what is the metrology? Metrology is the science of measurement. Science of measurement in any industrial applications. The measurement is necessary. In measuring purpose in metrology, there are some four basic instruments are used. These are vernier caliper. Second one is micrometer. Third one is dial gauge. Fourth one is height gauge. These are the four basic instruments used in metrology for measuring purpose. Today we are only focusing on vernier caliper. Before going to or take a reading, we see what is the vernier caliper and how it looks like, their parts. This is the digital vernier caliper. Vernier caliper having two types: mechanical type and digital. The only basic difference is that in digital vernier caliper we get direct reading on LCD display. In mechanical vernier caliper, we have to calculate the reading. These are the basic parts of vernier caliper. Upper side, harden and ground inside measuring faces, that is upper jaw. These are used to measure inside dimensions of workpiece, that is inside diameter of the workpiece. In lower side, harden and ground outside measuring surfaces, that is outside diameter of any workpiece. In right hand side, there is a depth measuring rod. Why it is used? It is used to measure height or depth of any workpiece. This is the basic. These are the basic three functions of vernier: inside diameter, outside diameter, and height or depth of the any workpiece. Other parts are there is a lock screw to lock the vernier reading. On bottom side, on off or zero setting button. Upper side there is a reset button. This is the LED display in which we directly get the reading in mm or in inch what we want. In vernier there are two scales, main scale and vernier scale. This is the main scale, this is the beam. Now we study how to take reading on vernier caliper. This is the actual vernier caliper. These are the lower jaw for measuring the outside diameter of any workpiece. Upper jaw to measure the inside diameter of any workpiece. This is the depth rod to measure the height or depth of any workpiece. This is the main scale, this is the vernier scale, this is the lock screw, this is the slider. Two scales are present in vernier. Main scale, this is the main scale, and vernier scale. Vernier scale is on bottom side, main scale on top side. These are the two scales. Any instrument is having some least count. What is the least count? Least count means the smallest number that can be measured by using that instrument. Vernier caliper also have the least count. What is the formula for least count? Least count LC is equal to value of smallest division on MS. MS means main scale. Value of smallest division on main scale. Where is the main scale? Here. Value of smallest division on main scale. What is the value of smallest division on main scale? This is 1 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. Then this is up to 20, 3 up to 3, 30, 40, 50. What we have value of smallest division? Which one is the smallest? 1 mm. That's why here it is 1 mm upon total number of divisions on VS. What is VS? Vernier scale. Where it is? Vernier scale from bottom side. Total number of divisions on vernier scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 2 it's 10. Up to 3 it's 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. What we want? Total number of divisions. How many it is? 50. Divide by 50. 1 divided by 50. 0.02 mm. This is the least count of vernier caliper. So we can measure up to 0.02 mm. That is the accuracy of this vernier caliper. Now we see how to take readings on vernier caliper. We have two jobs. One is hollow and one is the rod. This is the actual vernier caliper. If we have to measure the outer diameter of this workpiece or this job, which jaw you can use, this or this one, because it is used for outside diameter, it is used for inside diameter. We can see this is used for outside diameter, and if we have any hollow job, we can use upper jaw, that is inside diameter. We can be measure by using upper jaw. Or if we can have to measure the depth or height of any job, we can use the depth gauge to measure the height of any workpiece. So now we can measure the dimension of this workpiece. For measuring there is one formula, that is total reading is equal to MSR, main scale reading, MSR plus vernier scale reading, VSR, main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into LC. LC means least count. LC. Now we measure. If we have to measure the diameter of this workpiece, what is the first? Main scale reading. Where is the main scale? Main scale reading. It is 36. Plus vernier scale reading. Where is the vernier scale? Here is bottom side, vernier scale reading. So we have to measure the divisions. It is 7 into least count. What is the least count of vernier? We can see 0.02. What is the calculation of this? 36.14 in mm. In this way we get readings on vernier caliper. If you have any doubt about this, please put your answers in comment box, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you.